Tip number 5. This is specific for Excel simulations. In an Excel simulation, there are times where you may be asked to select what's called non-adjacent columns. That means they're columns that are not next to each other. This can easily be done on a PC keyboard using the Control key. So I'm using a PC keyboard for this video. I select A5 through A10. I hold the Control key down and select C5 through C10. The problem will happen on a Mac computer. On a Mac computer, you must use the Command key, not the Control key. That's how you will select non-adjacent columns.